Hello everyone, this video is about MySQL between clause and like clause. These both are clauses are used for searching data in our database. First, we will show our databases by typing show databases. Then we will use our previous data, which is result. So we will type use result. For opening database, we will type use and then database name, which is result here, and then we will show tables in that database. All the available tables that has been made in this database called result will be shown here, which is tables in result, and there are two tables only, club and marks. But in previous video we have created club table, so here we will type select star from club. This command will show each and every single data in our table. Let me correct it. Each and every single data in our table. It is select, which will show the data, and star means all data. Star will always denote all in our computer. And then we will show all data means we will show all data from club table. And now we will enter the command and we get the result as the whole table here. Now suppose that somewhere we want to know how many people are there or which people are there who has age between 30 and 40. So that will be covered under between command. Here we will type select star from, means we will see whole data from club where age between 30 and 40. It is simple command where we will show all data from club table where age means this age is between 30 to 40. But we will type and, that will cover the 30 and 40, means the between data of 30 and 40 from age. Now we will press enter and we see the data that is covered only under the 30 and 40. 41 means Kush is excluded from this data since he is above 40, and that will not cover him since he is 41. So that is how you can search any data by between by putting two conditions. Suppose that there you want to search in between dates, then you can put dates here and then put and clause between it. Now we will learn about like clause where we can search our data or where we can search a particular alphabet in our string. First we will type select star from, then we will type the table name, which is club, where coach name, since our field is coach name, where coach name like double inverted comma %a. So what this will show? This will show you all data. This will show you all data from club table where coach name has a in the end. How can we know that? The percentage will cover the rest of the strings. If it is put behind the a, then a will be in front and the rest of a string will go as on with the percentage. Means suppose that there is a name called Kamla. So the Kamal will be covered in percentage and the A will be put behind it. Only then the computer will search your data. So now we will press enter and we get the name Kukreja, Ravina, Ankita and Shelly. Why only these names are shown? Because we have put A after the percentage. So percentage will cover rest of the string and then A will be searched by MySQL in the end. Suppose that we can modify this command by putting percentage behind the A. Then we will see only Ankita is shown since A will be there in the front and the percentage will cover the rest of the string. That will be this. And now we can modify this command by putting percentage in front and the back. This will show you all the names that has A in it or all the names that contain A. So the string will be in front of the A and the back of the A. So this will cover all the names that contains A, whether it is in beginning or in the end or in the middle. Now we will press enter. So almost all the names are shown except one name. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two names actually, 5 and 9 are absent since they have others name in there. Suppose that we will show select star from club. We will show whole table. So these are the names on 5 and 9. These both names do not have A neither in the beginning nor in the end or in the middle. So these names are hidden in this result because we have shown A, whatever the name that contains A. So this is our lecture about between clause and like clause. I hope you understood it very well. If you have understood it, then please like, share, comments and subscribe. So this will be all in this video. Till the next video, see you and bye bye.